Hello. So it's a very cold, windy day out here today. Finally got some bright sun. I'm going to set up the All Powers 100 watt solar panel. Now I've been using this a fair little bit and charging my battery banks and such. And I've seen it hit in the 70s and I believe even an 80 at one point. So I've been also watching many videos on this. Now this is a bifold. It has Velcro right here. Open it up. And it also has these legs that are on these bungee straps, I guess you'd want to call them. So you can adjust it for the sun. It has one on each panel. So if I open it up, you'll see how big it is. Now on the back here, it has this big pocket that has your connectors. Whoa! Like I said, it's very windy out here. Wow. Has your connectors in here. I'll go over those, but that's where it's housed. And let's get this set up, go over some details. So I've already taken out the cable. I'll just bring this leg out. Now I can fold out the other leg. Put it towards the sun. Now this can fold back like that, so I don't have to worry about that actually flipping out. So set up, got my battery bank here. Let's see how it's charging. I have the S200 out here with me from All Powers, and I've got the barrel plug on it. I'm just going to plug that in, and let's see what we have right now. Whoa! 82 watt input. Check this out. Right now it says 84 watt. Pretty sure you can see that. But that's rather impressive because a lot of the videos I have seen, they're averaging 60 to 70. This is also February when I'm doing this. So I'm rather impressed with that. 85 watt right now. Very cool, very cool. Now let's get into some specs as that charges. Gonna leave that on so you can watch it as I read the specs. I'll leave a link also where you can check it out. 1 to 100 watt foldable solar charger. Now it says it has an MC4 to 5.5 by 2.5 millimeter cable, an MC4 to Anderson cable as well, an 8 millimeter DC adapter, a 3.5 to 1.5 millimeter adapter, a DC 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter adapter, and instruction manual. That's what comes in this package. It also mentions that the power is increased by 1/3 in comparison with the same panel size. So this is saying 87 watts right now. Input. 88. So I'm rather impressed with this solar panel. I think it will be great for, my longer term weekend campouts and stuff like that. If I wanted to charge, I could charge this, and then I could use this to charge my phones, and other electronic devices. So very, very handy. It's also very windy right now, and it's still staying put. I could lay something in here and such just to sturdy it up if I had to. There are tie-outs as well. So if I wanted to hang it up or, kind of tie it down, I could as well, right? But, off-grid, this would be great because I can run a light bulb, a LED light bulb, you know, for a long time with something like this, and this can charge it rather quickly. So great combo. The S300 is another, you know, great power bank as well, but I'm liking all these. So check out All Powers and see what they may have for you. So I want to thank you for watching. Just wanted to do this quick little video, show you some of the efficiency of this. I don't have a whole lot of tech on it and such. For me, if the electronics work, it's a bonus to me, and you know, I don't get in too much detail with the tech stuff. So take care, all the best, and stay safe.